Example 6. Write down the first three terms in the binomial expansion of cube root of 1 plus x over 1 to 5. State the set of values of x for which the expansion is valid. Hence, deduce that the cube root of 126 is approximate to 5.013. Let's start now. We expand this binomial by using binomial expansion formula. In this case, our b is x over 1 to 5 and our n is 1/3. We substitute the value of the b terms and n into the formula. We have 1 plus our n is 1/3. Our b is x over 1 to 5 plus 1/3. 1/3 minus 1 over 2 factorial x over 1 to 5 squared. Next, you can use calculator to find the coefficient. Let's carry on. Is equals to 1 plus 1/3 times 1 to 5 is x over 375 plus, let's use calculator for the third terms. Insert 1/3 times 1/3 minus 1 times this is 1 over 1 to 5 squared, so 1 over 1 to 5 squared and then over 2 factorial. Shift factorial, the answer is negative 1 over 140625. 140625 negative x squared. Now set the set of value of x for which the expansion is valid. So the expansion is valid if the magnitude of b is less than 1. So we substitute b as x over 1 to 5 less than 1, which is x over 1 to 5 is between negative 1 to 1. If you times all by 125, you have negative 1 to 5 to 125. Hence, the last part of this question. Hence, deduce that the cube root of 126 is approximate to 5.013. So first of all, look at the left-hand side. Left-hand side is 1 plus x over 1 to 5 cube root. If you form the single fraction, you have 1 to 5 plus x over 1 to 5 cube root. So what is the value of x here? What is the value of x here? So that 125 plus x is equal to 126. If you're solving this equation, x is equal to 1. That means we can substitute x is equal to 1 to obtain 126. So let's carry on. So substitute in both sides, left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side is 125 plus 1 over 125 raised to power cube root, left hand side. For right hand side, substitute to 1 plus x is 1 over 375, then minus, substitute x as 1 cube over 140625. Then if you simplify the left hand side, we'll have 126 at the numerator part, cube root, and 125 cube root at the denominator part, where 125 cube root is equal to 5. So we'll have 126 cube root over 5 equals to 1 plus 1 over 375 minus 1 over 140625 plus dot dot dot. So the cube root of 126 is equivalent to 5 times the 1 plus 1 over 375 minus 140625 plus dot dot dot. We use approximate sign. This is approximate sign because we only expand this until third term. Actually, there are more than 3 terms. We stop at third term, so this is just approximate answer. Then you can check from your calculator. 5 times 1 plus 1 over 375 minus 1 over 140625 is approximate to 5.013. Is approximate to 5.013 shown.